Shalom and blessings, and welcome back to the Malinois X Puppy Chronicles. It has sure been a busy week for us on the homestead as these beautiful babies have went to their final and forever homes. The bathing acclimation has sure paid off as these guys are very patient and waiting for their suds and bubbles. I didn't get to record Sam, but he was superb as well. Although my son was super sad to see this little guy leave, he got to have that final run with him and he enjoyed every moment. It is that time once again for that famous vet visit, and this little lady is the star of the day. Although she may not feel like a star on her first ride out. And you know that Mama Amet had to join the ride. But this time we had a surprise hay fall. Hay was coming in the window and Amalea and Amet weren't so happy. As we arrive on time for our appointment, my husband shows this little lady some love and support. And Amalea loves to show her support as well. As Amalea has spent a lot of acclimation time with this little lady, I know she will be sad to see her leave. But what an amazing journey she has ahead of her. Our health check form and our vaccinations are complete. And this little lady couldn't be more excited to leave. My husband couriers us back to our beautiful, lovely home. And the puppies are patiently waiting for their arrival of their little sister. And she was surely happy to be back as well. But we see the puppies have made a mess while we were gone. Which is typical for when you leave the children behind. And Mr. Yellow has that hay in his mouth like a hillbilly. Which is super comical because we are in the sticks. But truly, in reality, he is one big lover. You can always tell who the bossy one is in the bunch. Then you will slowly see everybody just kind of disappear. That never lasts too long. My son always loves to visit outside, and they all love to visit him. After spending time with the pups, it is time to spend some time with Mom and the bigger Malinois, of course, and foraging is our thing. And my son always has that backup. As the ladies find something that catch their eye, squirrel is on the plate tonight. As they have each other's back and look out for Mom at the same time, they are letting me know quietly they are doing their job and saving Mom's harvest for Mom. Meanwhile, my husband's in the garden. And of course, our lovely companions always like to join. They knock over a plant a time or two. As it is that time in the season for diatomaceous earth, Jehu's favorite pastime is running from me. But Zama's is to round up all the flock. And she still might have dinner on her mind, too. There truly is never a dull moment on our homestead. Jehu won this time. As the day draws nigh, there's still one task to do, and that's help Dad water the garden. Until next time, my Malinois X family.